Art was not an afterthought in the Capitol renovation project. Restoring original works and commissioning new pieces were part of the plan overseen by the Oklahoma State Arts Council. Director Amber Sharple says the most glorious display in the building is near the top.
Come up here to the aha moment here on the fourth floor rotunda where you can see Oklahoma's favorite four sons.
Center stage are the four works by artist Charles Banks Wilson created in the 60s. Senator Robert S. Kerr, who fought to give our landlocked state river access to the Gulf of Mexico. Sequoia, who invented a syllabary that allowed Cherokee people to put their language in writing. Sac and Fox athlete Jim Thorpe, the first Native American to win an Olympic gold medal. And Cherokee cowboy Will Rogers, one of America's favorite stars in film, print, and radio, all giants of our history and culture.
Each person's portrait that is on this floor is here with a very intentionality of celebrating their story. These are individuals in Oklahoma that made it onto the national, international scene. Their imprint and their work, these are our heroes, the people that we elevate their stories.
People like Ada Lois Sippiel Fisher, who became the first black law student at OU, and Wiley Post, pioneer of the modern flight suit and the first solo pilot to fly around the world.
You can also see the Pro Patria, the earliest work that was installed in this space from the 1920s, that also is a celebration and honor of our state's strong military service.
The art throughout the entire building reflects the passage of time, with the ground floor echoing our native and Western heritage and early statehood. There will be 18 rotating exhibitions each year featuring the work of Oklahoma artists and a gallery honoring longtime Arts Council Executive Director Betty Price. It's been a labor of love for the Arts Council, but a labor nonetheless.
First, to remove all the artwork that we couldn't take care of here in the building, out of here to be safely reviewed, some of it conserved and restored. We had antique frames restored and sent off to professionals.
The energy, love, emotion, and excitement put into this massive project by the Oklahoma Arts Council really cannot be measured, but now it can be experienced in the people's house.
To see new works that you've never seen, to come and feel as part of a bigger community and state. This is a once-in-a-life opportunity you should share with your kids, your nephews and nieces. Bring your family. This is your house, and this is your collective art collection. Come see what we own collectively. It's worth the visit.
At the Oklahoma State Capitol, I'm Dino Lalli for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.